Exfoliating toner pads are having a moment, and rightfully so, because if you've been working on getting that smoother skin, smoother texture, so I'm not talking specifically breakouts and targeting acne, I'm talking about your skincare as a whole, so dullness, textured skin, scars, pitted scars, all that kind of stuff, discoloration, all of those lovely issues can be improved over time by using toner pads, and I'm just so happy because I've been seeing great results in them, and I'm gonna share two today that achieve similar goals, but they go about it in a different way. So one of them, I consider them more of an experience, and I kind of love, it's like a 5-minute facial. And the other one is more of a traditional type of toner pad. So we're gonna dive right in. They're both very affordable, $30 or less. And the emphasis right now is going to be on them being gentle. It's also perfect time because it's summer and I'm very concerned about your skin and my skin. So the fact that these are gonna be gentle is gonna be great because our skin is being exposed more to the sun. You hopefully are wearing your sunscreen. I'm gonna keep saying that in every single video because it's that important. Oh, and also if you're someone that is not looking for the gentle route and you are looking for one that is a little bit more high powered, I have a recommendation I'll leave down below. These are the two exfoliating toner pads. I've got this one right here from Glow Recipe. This is the LHA and AHA exfoliating toner pads. And then I've got our MedLife's AHA, PHA, and Fruit Enzymes exfoliating toner pads. Both of these I've been using for the past couple of weeks and I've really liked them. So if we know Glow Recipe, they always have like the watermelon and everything is super hydrating. That is the same case with these exfoliating toner pads. When you're hearing LHA and PHA and AHA, these are hydroxy acids. So these are chemical exfoliants. They're gonna go deep down into the skin, help with that congestion, those pores. It helps with turnover. It's just gonna rejuvenate the skin. I love that the top of this has the little tongs so that you can just grab without having to use your hands. There is so much liquid in here and it's so incredibly hydrating. This is definitely the spa experience. These are so thin, it's like paper. Think Korean sheet mask. And so the difference with this one is that while you can swipe it on your face, you can also just put it on your face and let it sit there for 5 to 10 minutes. And applying it was super easy. They practically melt into the skin, which is also a really cool feature. And then after 5-10 minutes, you can just remove it. I did about 15 minutes because I was twisting down my hair. This is what it's gonna look like when it's dried out, so you'll definitely start seeing it again. But basically you just take it off on either side, and there'll be some product like on your skin. As you can see, it's a little glowy, which is nice. And so I'll just take, you know, one of the pads and just kind of wipe it all over my face and wipe the excess in. How magical that they start out looking like they're so thin and watery, and then by the time they dry, you end up seeing a real pad. See that I have a little glow, a little serum going. When I first used it, I had just gotten home from a long day of work. It's like you're taking off decrepit makeup that's been there for like 16 hours. So I don't necessarily want to do a face mask, but if I can just put something on real quick, do one little task. After your time is up, you're going to take off the pads and you can actually rub in the rest of the serum that's left on there. Even right after using it, there's a glow because of the serum. I love it so much. The thing that's cool about it is that you can choose how many you want to use and where you want to put it versus a full sheet mask that's going to like cover your entire face. I put 2 for my cheeks and 1 on my forehead. For my skin, it's in the cheeks area that I have, you know, texture, hyperpigmentation, I have old acne scars, I have enlarged pores. I mean, the laundry list. So it's very targeted, but then also at the end, you're gonna still rub in the rest of the serum. So like I said, with the multi-acid blend, with the watermelon enzyme, these are gently seeping into the skin, helping with congested pores, helping to smooth and refine. That is the basis of these toner pads. The other major key that stands out to me is the hydration. It's summer, we're out in the sun. Dehydration is at every turn. Because of the fact that these are acids, there's sun sensitivity involved. So if you do want to use them during the day, just be sure that you're also using a sunscreen to protect your skin. My perfect hack is to use these at night. Nighttime is literally the best time for restoring everything, your body, your skincare, all of it. So it's like all the best things you want to do. Your body is going to be working on that. Your skin is going to be working on that while you're sleeping. It's a best case scenario. Glow Recipe, like Hydration Station, this is the perfect time for that right now in the summer. Don't fear hydration if you're someone that has oily skin. Like this is the good kind, okay? Like it's not going to be clogging your pores. So this is one that is perfect for just replenishing that hydration that our skin needs. Now let's break it down. These are plant-derived cellulose pads, which is great. That's why they're also super thin. So we're giving eco-friendly. This is vegan and cruelty-free, which is another big thing for me. You're gonna get 60 pads. Remember, you don't have to do multiples. you can just do one, but I'm using multiple, so I can do the math on how long that's gonna last. Now, the history with Armed is that I've been using their disposable towels for probably a year now. Using a disposable face towel was the catalyst for my skin getting so much better. These are made of natural fibers. It is eco-friendly, so that helps in that decision, but also because I saw really great results. I stopped seeing the random congested breakouts, and this is their exfoliating toner pads made of plant-based fibers. So we love, again, like we're staying on the eco-friendly journey. This one I said was more on the traditional sense, and what I mean by that, this one is a dual-sided one, so you can see the grooves for the exfoliation. This is the smoothing side. These are big. So it's a larger pore pad, and then it's gonna cover more of your skin. The toner pad is not sitting on your face. You're just wiping it wherever you want. I've been doing my whole face. If you're curious which of the AHAs this one is using, it's lactic acid, which we do know and love. I always think back to The Ordinary and how I kind of had to educate myself on the different types of acids. Same thing with that video from a couple years ago, to understand which ones would be good for me and my specific concerns, which are dull skin, textured skin, acne skincare, uneven skin tone. It's nice to see which specific acid is contained in these toner pads. And I'm like, oh, lactic acid, that's my girl. The comedy with this is that it's actually 6 in the morning because I had gotten home from an overnight shoot. So I'm just a little delirious and exhausted, but I am gonna still do my skincare. And these exfoliating pads were really easy to use. In this case, I'm just gonna be wiping it all over my skin, and then that is it. Nothing needs to stay on the skin. And also I love how big these pads are. For reference, you can see it just almost takes up my entire cheek, and then it also takes off excess makeup and dirt. Start off with like 3 times a week, and then you can increase if you don't see any sort of reactions, which is great. If you don't see any reactions, you know that your skin is responding well, and so that you could increase to using it every night. Armed specifically, you're gonna get 70 pads. If it's so easy into the skincare routine, and what I love about both of these, I will say, is that they're not drying. They're so hydrating that I don't feel like my skin is stripped after. A friendly compare and contrast. Armed is the more affordable option. You're getting 70 pads. The price is $15.99. That's even more affordable than my beloved Medicube, the Deep Vita C pads. I believe those are usually like between 17 and 20. I'll link that one down below too as well, because if you're looking for vitamin C specifically and to help with those acne and lighten those scars, that's gonna be a great option. Now, if you're looking to elevate a little bit more and go with the spa experience, the Glow Recipe ones are $30. There are 60 pads. If I'm using 3 pads every night, they are gonna go down a little faster than if you're just using one. It's nice to see so many toner pads on the market, so that if this isn't your vibe, you can go with this one, or you can try something else. Whatever you decide, I love both of these styles of exfoliating toner pad. And I also, most importantly, love what they've been doing to my skin. I love waking up to a nice little glow. Let's have a conversation down below. Have you dove into the exfoliating toner pads? Are you trying to figure out which one would be best for you? Hope this video was helpful. I'm so incredibly on the train for it. It is a lot easier than trying to figure out what individual acid is good. I like a multi-blend, and then also the fact that you can just swipe and go, or just dot them on and literally do something for 5-10 minutes, come back and continue your skincare routine. Thank y'all as always for watching. Hype this video up if it was helpful. I'll have links to everything down below, and I will see you in the next one.